Hello, friends. Welcome to the last day of our second week of class, Friday, September 18th. Here is what we'll do today. Remember, first thing, to watch the video that you're watching now. And then we're going to click on Async. Today, you have 3 activities to do. The first thing, you have to read an article about procrastination. If there are any new words for you, remember to write them down and then look them up after. All right. Next, go back to Async. You will complete a quiz, 4 questions about the article. Okay. My suggestion before you start doing the async work, read the questions from the quiz first before you read the article. That way you know what you are looking for. After you have done these 2 activities, you are going to do a Flipgrid on procrastination. Remember to sign in using your Carlos Rosario email. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to talk about ways that you can avoid procrastination. Remember to write down what you will say before you record. That's it for async. Now we will go to sync. Every Friday, remember, I have office hours. You are welcome to join me in Zoom from 10 to 11 a.m. I will be available to answer questions. Good luck.